I just got 10 million bucks for shit that I ain't even do yet. You spent your money, but I ain't say I was your boo yet. You got your feelings hurt, I ain't really mean to do that. I'm just a bad bitch, I'm sorry I put you through that.
Kind of whack though. Okay. If no one else does this in front of the camera, you're fucking lying. But anyway, so hey guys, my name is Bree. In the video you're about to watch, I didn't go over some of the stuff that I did need to go over, but I didn't want to refilm the entire video because I filmed it, like tried to film it so many times and it just wasn't fucking working. And also I do know that the video is gonna get smaller. I was recording it on my phone, so I didn't know, and like I said, I've been trying to re-record it and it's just not fucking happening. So we're just gonna deal with the little tiny thing, and I'm gonna tell you the shit that I forgot to tell you. So the main thing I forgot to tell you was that this is Malaysian Straight and that it's a lace front wig. It's 13x4 going across on the frontal part, and it did end up coming, well, I would say probably like 2 more inches of lace than what I have right now, so it is decent parting on it. I also forgot to mention that I did purchase this hair in July, and right now it's October, so I have been wearing it for 3 months, and I mean, I really don't have any big complaints except the one that I'll tell you about in the video. So yeah, those are the few things that I forgot, and thanks for watching. Hey guys, my name is Bree and I'm here to talk to you about this hair that I got from Amazon. This is a lace front wig. It is from VSHOW hair. It's about 22 inches long. It's not styled. I did end up putting wine curls in it Friday, and today's Monday, so they dropped, and it's kind of like an effortless, I don't care about what I'm doing right now look. So yeah, so it came in this box. This is what it came with, and then it also did come with a little card that has instructions. This is their information, which I'll also put down below if you want. So this wig I got in 24 inches. No, I'm lying like fuck. I got in 22 inches. I will double check, but I'm almost positive it's 22 inches. I'm just really short, so everything comes out looking like super long on me. But the only thing I don't like about this hair is the shedding. Like, you can do this. Oh well, I haven't combed my hair, I said that. But you could do this. Hey, I finally got one strand. But usually for the most part, I don't get any when I do that. Let's see, this I didn't get any, but it's all over my carpet, and I have fur rugs, and in my bathroom when I do my hair, it's just I have to shake out my rugs and all that. So I just feel like it's extra, like an extra task that I have to do. But outside of that, it's still really nice. This is natural lighting, like I have a natural light window in my bathroom, so this is just what it looks like when I'm outside. But yeah, I mean, I definitely, like, these ends look fried right now. But I definitely would recommend this hair. I give it an 8 out of 10 just for the longevity, but I've had better hair that lasted longer. Like, no shade to the company, but maybe if I took better care of it like I used to take care of my old hair, then it probably would have given the same results. So I'll let you guys know if I continue to wear this or if I order it again, and then we'll see how it goes. Thanks. Like, comment, and subscribe.